Hi, this is Liz, and I'm here with my Stitch Fix box, which I had stopped for a couple of months, and I decided to give it a try again now that it's spring. We'll see what we get. So my first item, which I have to tell you I love, are these capris, these black and white check, like a tiny buffalo check capris. They're nice and stretchy, and they go for $58. Pull up pants. I love them. These say spring to me. I'm very happy. Next is a dress. It's blue. It's got flowers. It's also very springy. It's got two dots in the back, which is nice for a little fit. It's got a ruching on the side. And it also has, like a little split, which is nice. And the 3/4 sleeve, which I love a 3/4 sleeve, as you can see. I just feel more comfortable. You can see your bracelet if you wear jewelry. So this is very Easter for me. And I am hosting Easter this year, and I like it. Now the next one is a cream top. I'll tell you, this is $58, and it's a crochet front top. I like the crochet in the back. I would have liked it in the back also, but I like that it has a little bit of a detail, which is the zipper. But I really always prefer to have the same print in the back as the front. It just, I don't know, just more classy to me. But this is cute. I guess on dungarees or whatever, or even under a nice blazer or sweater or something. Now this is a blouse, which I already sort of tried on. Let me put it back the way it is. It's floral. It's longer in the back than the front. It's got a little like crossbody type thing going on here, like a crossbody. And this is also, nice and for the spring, for in the park or with the kids, with my grandkids running around, catching them. And that blouse is $40. It's Julia Surplus knit top. And then lastly is a Asa Model knit blazer. It's pink, very soft pink, and actually very soft. I like the lining inside, and it would go good actually with all these items too. I like it, no buttons, just free, very nice, very soft. I like the color, I like the length of the sleeve again, I like the 3/4, be able to work, very nice. And the blazer is $88. This is the most expensive thing in the item, in the box. So if I were to, it's $302 the total. If I was to buy, I would get $75 off. And plus the $20 credit styling fee, so it would be $206. So I'm going to think about it. And what I like mostly about Stitch Fix is they give you a return bag, which is already, there's no shipping, it's free. You just put whatever you don't want, put it in the mail within the days allowed. And no problem, no questions asked. You keep what you want and you send back what you don't want. So I'm going to have to try all this stuff on, which is the fun part. And I've been waiting for spring, I'm sure, like everybody else is. So come on, spring, hurry up. I got some nice things I want to wear. Till next time.